Hello, my name is Anthony Marinelli, Honda Master Technician and Top Tech Zone Finalist for 2017. I'm here today representing Cardinal Honda in Groton, Connecticut to bring you our Tech Tip of the Month. Today, I'll be teaching you how to correctly and accurately check your engine oil level. Checking your engine oil level periodically is very important to the longevity of your engine, and if done regularly, it can help ensure a long life and good health for your engine for many, many miles to come. It's not uncommon for a Honda engine properly maintained to run for 300,000 miles or more. So let's get started. First, it is important to check your oil on level ground. Any significant slope that your vehicle is parked on can alter the reading and would not read as accurately as desired. Second, make sure your vehicle's engine has been off for a minimum of 5 minutes. If the engine has been running immediately prior to checking the oil level would not have enough time to drain down into the oil pan. The oil pan is the reservoir at the bottom of the engine whose sole purpose is to store engine oil, ready for critical lubrication when you start and run your car. Let gravity do its work. You are going to want all the available oil in the engine to settle in the oil pan, as the reading on the dipstick is a representation of how much oil is in the pan. Third, let's find your dipstick. Nearly all automotive Honda engines have a readily accessible dipstick. Open your hood and find a bright orange or yellow hoop, perfect for grabbing and pulling with a finger or two. This is the top of the dipstick. Remove the dipstick by pulling straight out. Get familiar with the stick. At the bottom, there's an area of a couple of marks. The top mark represents a level what would be considered full to the top. The bottom mark represents the lowest possible acceptable level of oil in your engine. The space between the top and bottom marks indicates exactly 1 quart of oil. Grab yourself a rag, wipe down the stick, and reinsert it into its tube, making sure it stops, bottomed all the way out. This will help ensure the most accurate reading possible. Again, remove the dipstick straight up and out and take a look at the reading. Ideally, the level shown should be at or very close to the top mark of the stick. If the level shows lower than the top mark, you should add oil, making sure to add the correct oil, for example 5W20 or 0W20. Refer to your owner's manual or oil cap, which lists the correct viscosity for your particular engine. And it's as simple as that. Checking your oil level regularly can be a very valuable tool in helping to assess the current state of health of your engine. Keep up on your oil level, perform your regularly scheduled maintenance, and your engine will be strong and reliable for years to come. Nearly all automotive of oil. Grab yourself a rag, which I don't have here at this time. Wipe down.